Well, sometimes you need to rip out things just to see what is there inside. And if it's something beautiful, it's awesome. And if it's not, it's still awesome. So let us see how we can rip things in Blender. So for that to happen, I have to go from object mode to edit mode. You can do that with the help of tab button as well. And here we have got vertex mode, edge mode and face mode. You can also use 1 2 3 keyboard shortcuts on your keyboard. With 1 as our selection for the vertex, I am coming down right up here, and here is our rip region and rip edge. So rip region, what it does is actually, let me select only this one vertex, click and drag. You see it has ripped that edge, ripped that area. If I click and drag this away, it has ripped it one more time. And if I try to do it again, it will say that rip has failed because there is nothing else to rip. In the same way, the next option is rip edge. We can rip edges this time. So I will click and hold there, let the option get opened, and then leave my mouse on rip edge. That's how you select that option. And here I will go in the edge mode and click on one of the edge, and what we can do is just come here and click and drag. This is how we can rip edges. Click and drag. It's going to give some arbitrary, some random feeling to it. So that's how rip edge and rip vertex works. So hit the like button if you like the video, leave a comment and share this video as much as possible. And if you wholeheartedly want to support me, you can go on the Patreon page. Links will be given in the description. So until then, see it, try it, understand it. I will see you in the next video.